What's going on, guys? Three Wheels in the Block back again. The Regal. Time for some more of your favorite products from AliExpress. So if you haven't checked out the video on that splitter down there, I'll put a link up here over on that side of the screen for you so you can check that out, get you caught up to speed. Today, I'm going to take a look at these door handles. So one thing you may have noticed about my Regal is that a lot of the chrome is slowly vanishing. Fangs in the front of the car were silver, and I applied some smoke tint over those. And then the chrome on the hood, I smoked that out. But on these door handles, there's a chrome strip right here that I'm going to eliminate. I'll also be, that's another video. So today we're focusing on removing or covering up these door handles. So I was looking around AliExpress, Alibaba, whatever you want to call it, and came across some carbon fiber door handle covers. So we're going to go over how to install those and take a look at the difference in the car. You guys let me know what you think. First thing we're going to do is prep our door handles. You need a microfiber towel or cloth. And you want some of this. Alright, these are the handle covers from AliExpress. They go in with some 3M two-sided tape. Installation is very simple. We'll peel off the red and apply the cover over the existing door handle. The only disadvantage about installing these is if you have the quick entry unlock system, there are no provisions for that. So we may deal with that another time. Peel, stick. Notice a small imperfection on that end. You can see that there. It's got a curve in it. Like that. We'll make sure that's pointing down. I did accidentally discover something. If you squeeze here, you can still unlock and lock the door. So that's pretty cool. You don't lose the functionality of that, which if that didn't work, I was going to pull these off, but since you can still, I'll leave them on. So you guys can let me know what you think. I think it's a pretty clean look. And this is not real carbon fiber, this is just, I believe that these are hydro dipped. Get it on that carbon fiber pattern so you can see there. Actually looks pretty good, and it's very reflective. You can see the Chevelle and the reflection on the door handle there. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. I do like that look on the car. I think that looks pretty good. Pretty good. We'll get it outside and take a look in the sun, see what it looks like. Alright, so that wraps up the video for the AliExpress carbon fiber overlay handles for the 2008 to 2014, 15, 16, or 17. I think they offer them for all the Buicks actually, or all the Buick Regals. They offer for other GM products as well. Hope you liked this video, hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the handles and if you may do this to your ride. As always, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to turn that red button gray, whichever side it's on. Anyway, we'll see you next time.